that screen, bunch of people touching it, gets dirty. You're gonna have to clean it. That screen, bunch of touching from everybody in the cabin that wants to try stuff and touch the volume, it gets dirty and you're gonna need to clean it. So one thing about living in the city and having a Tesla, you really got to clean your screen. I'm going to show you quickly how to do that, and then I'm going to finish vlogging the day on living here and going downtown. First thing you'll do, go to settings on your left side. That's the car logo. Go to display, and you can see on the bottom here says screen clean mode. What does that mean? Well, basically it's going to freeze the screen. Actually, you know what? Let's just show you. It's a dark screen, and yes, I have cleaned my screen recently. I've wiped it down. This is how bad it gets after, I think it's been 2 weeks since I cleaned it. 2 weeks. Something that Tesla does give you, just a heads up, is this little guy. It's a microfiber cloth. It comes in the car free, and you basically just use it to wipe down, just like the screen. I've already wet this down. You use only water for this, and then you're able to just wipe it down. Windex and other solutions actually harm the gloss, and so you don't want to ruin your screen. That's a tip for any touchscreen or any HD monitor that you might have that you need to wipe down. Yeah, look at that. We're already seeing a difference here. The reason why it goes into screen clean mode is because you don't want to be touching all the buttons and going through the charging mode or changing all your settings that you've already previously had. So it goes into screen clean mode. It's really easy to wipe down. Get this little guy. I think it looks a lot better than it just did. And then when you're ready, press and hold X in 3, 2, 1, and you're there. It's that easy. I wish I could make this a longer video and show you how hard it is, but really it's that easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got some vlogs coming out soon on what it's like to live here in St. Louis with a Tesla Model 3. See you next time.